Hi, now I'm going to explain about the Android project Intelligent and Free Speech Based SMS System and Android. The main aim of this project is to achieve speech recognition system. The objective of this project to show speech recognition system with the help of Google API to secure passwords of confidential social online networks account. This project is mainly based on Android operating system because nowadays all are going with Android operating system and it is a open source and anybody can customize the Android operating system. This speech recognition concept is implemented in many real-time applications to help visually impaired person. The mainly this project consists of two applications. One is web server application, other one is the Android client application. Now I'm going to explain about the web server application. So web server application mainly uses the technology called MVC architecture, that is nothing but model view controller architecture. Model component which is entirely for the database logic, that is business logic, and view component. With the help of the view components we are going to create a graphical user interface. So controller servlet which acts as a controller to control the entire application. This is the project structure of web server application. Then the software requirements of this project is ADT bundle, Eclipse tool, a MySQL and SQL for database connectivity, SQL yoke for database connectivity, and Tomcat server we are going to use in this project. So this web server application we can go with a multi-user environment also. So now you need to just start with the Tomcat server, open any of the browser, just type localhost 8080. So instead of localhost you can just give the IP address of your system. 8080 is the port number of the Tomcat. This is the starting page of the Tomcat. So just you need to give the user ID and the password. So just search for your project name, that is speech SMS server project. So just you need to log in with the valid user ID and the password of admin. So it will check for the validation whether that admin ID and the password is correct or incorrect. So invalid user, so just you need to give valid thing. So with a valid user ID and the password, it came to home page of the admin. Admin going to keep the track of all the user details, so which is registered from the Android client application, and he can keep the track of all the user passwords. So as of now no user is registered, so that only we are not having any users information here. So admin always going to keep all the user details and all user passwords of that particular domain. Then change password. If the admin want to change his password, he can change his password by giving the current password valid. It will check for the current password is valid or not. So now the current password is wrong, you need to enter it correctly. New password admin. So change the, so now password is updated successfully, just you can log out. So this is entirely about the Java web server application. Now I am going to explain about the Android client application. So this is the Android client application. Here we are going to use the ADT bundle for compiling Android projects. So this is the project structure of Android. whatever the activity classes and the Java classes we are going to write, that should always be kept under the source folder. So the UI related components always kept under the resource folder. That images are kept under the drawable folder. All the UI XML files are always should kept under layout thing. So now you just need to run this Android application. So it will take some time to launch the emulator. Now in the Android client application there is three options here. One is sign up, other one is sign on, and the password recovery. New user has to register by clicking the sign up option. Sign in with the user ID and the password. You need to sign in into the user home page. Password recovery, when user wants to recover his or her password, he need to go with the password recovery option. Now I'm going to register with a new user. So you can just give user ID, password, confirm password. You just need to give the name, master password, mobile number. You should give the valid mobile number because OTP has sent to this mobile number, and alternative number. So you just need to click on that register. That OTP has been sent to that particular mobile number. So now user has registered successfully. So now just click on the sign in. You need to enter user ID and password. If user ID and the password is valid, then it will go to the OTP page, that is one time password. Just need to enter your one time password which has been sent to your mobile number, valid mobile number. Click submit. If OTP is validated, it come back to the user login page. Again you need to submit user ID and the password. Just log in. So this is the home page of user. So you'll be getting your menu option. User can view his profile with the user ID, name and the mobile details. Go back. Then next thing is voice SMS. So in this we have achieved a concept, hands-free voice to text SMS sending. Just click on that mic, 7760255563. Now again you click on that mic. Hi, how are you? Now you can press button send SMS. The SMS has been sent to that particular valid mobile number. Now so passwords using master password. So you just need to enter your master password. So the concept of master password have been achieved here because so user has been into particular domains like Gmail, Facebook, Twitter, like that. So he is not able to remember all the password. By giving this master password, he can take the backup of his all domain password. So submit. So just he can add, you just need to feed the domain, that is Gmail domain. You can maintain all the password and IDs here at gmail.com. Now password, now confirm password. You just need to enter and you are adding here, you are storing into your database. Now I am going to add Facebook. Facebook, I am adding your dummy data. You can feed your real data here. Now password. So you have added two domain details. Now if you want to view that details, you just need to log in with the master password. Submit. Now you can just go with a view password. Your password with the domain will be visible. If you want to delete, you can delete. Now go back. Now password using voice. Gmail. Now your Gmail password will be retrieved and visible to you. Facebook. So your Facebook password is visible to you. Now if you want to change the master password, you can just, that OTP has been sent to your mobile. Just you need to enter that OTP. Now current master password you should give, then new password, new master password you should set. Change. Your master password has been changed successfully. Now change password. If the user want to change his password, first current password is validated, then it will validate the new password with the confirm password. You are changing the password. So your password has been changed successfully. Now log out. So if the user want to recover password, you just need to log in with user ID and password. Again OTP has been sent to his mobile number. You just need to enter that OTP. So OTP you got is 9876. Submit. So your password is recovered. Again you need to submit that OTP. So you can sign in and check. again if you want. Your password has been recovered. Thank you.